Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a doghouse built with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with this 6x8 plate for the base of our doghouse. You can use any size you wish. I'm going to place a 1x3 flat tile on the top of the plate. In the back, a 1x3 brick. And on both sides of the front of our tile, a set of 1x1 bricks. Place another 1x3 brick on the previous and a 1x3 brick with arch. This is going to be the little entry point to our doghouse. And for the sides, a set of 1x2x2 wall elements. I'm going to place these to give our interior of our doghouse a bit more space. I want to offset my roof by half a stud. So I'm going to start in the back with a 1x3 jumper plate. Then I'm going to proceed wrapping around on top of the wall elements with a set of 1x2 jumper plates. And on the front, a 1x3 jumper plate. Then I'm going to grab a pair of 2x4 45-degree slopes. I'm going to place these right on top of the jumper plates. So now we have a half a stud overhang. And then for the ridge, a 2x4 ridge slope. Place that right on top. Our doghouse is not complete without a dog, so I'm just going to use this little Chihuahua. We'll place him right there. And I want to set a little dog dish in this area. And let's just throw in a bone